Hello, so in today's video I will be making a cookie, and so the things you will need will be some ecru clay, a rolling pin, a cookie cutter of your choosing. I'm using this flower shaped one, some chalk pastels for shading. I have mine mixed in this container. And for decoration, some sprinkles of your choosing, and maybe some TLS to secure the sprinkles, a toothbrush for texture, and I will be using my stamp set again, and I will put a link to where I got this from in the description box below. So let's get started. So here's the finished product. As you can see, it says I heart you, and with the mint sprinkles, and this is after it is baked, and I'm not going to glaze it. So yeah, and it will just be a deco piece. And then I made another one off camera, and it says be mine with the pink sprinkles on it. So yeah, that is those, and remember, I will put links to anything that I mentioned in the video, and I'll put them in the description box down below. So thank you for watching, and until next time, peace out, y'all.